Welcome back to the Natural Health Channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural oils for skin and hair. Oils can seem intimidating, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin, but the right ones can transform your routine. We'll break down 7 powerhouse oils, what makes them special, who they're best for, and how to use them. From argan to jojoba and more, you'll learn how to get glowing skin and healthy hair naturally. Ready to upgrade your beauty routine? Let's get started. Grab a notebook. Your all-natural glow is just a few drops away. Let's get into it. First up, the legendary argan oil, often called liquid gold, for its luxurious texture and incredible benefits. Sourced exclusively from the sun-drenched argan trees of Morocco, this precious oil is packed with essential fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and a high concentration of vitamin E. For your skin, argan oil delivers deep hydration, locking in moisture and strengthening your skin's natural barrier. The result? A dewy, radiant glow that looks healthy and feels soft to the touch. When it comes to hair, its tiny molecules penetrate the hair shaft, boosting elasticity, reducing breakage, and taming frizz for a smooth, shiny finish. Just a few drops on dry ends instantly add shine and softness, making hair look healthier and more vibrant. Or use it as a pre-shampoo treatment for deep conditioning. Simply massage it in, let it soak, and rinse for silky, nourished hair. Argan oil is ideal for dry to normal skin types, especially if you struggle with dullness or rough patches. It's also a lifesaver for anyone with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, helping to restore smoothness and manageability. This oil is a true multitasker, perfect for both beginners just starting their beauty journey and seasoned pros looking for a reliable staple. If you crave hydration and shine, whether for your skin or hair, argan oil is your go-to solution. Add it to your daily routine and watch as your skin and hair transform, becoming softer, smoother, and more luminous over time. Argan oil truly stands the test of time. It's a classic for a reason. Next, let's talk about coconut oil, a kitchen staple that's also a superstar in the world of beauty and self-care. This versatile oil has been cherished for generations, not just for cooking, but for its nourishing properties that benefit both hair and skin. Rich in lauric acid, coconut oil penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, helping to moisturize from within and prevent protein loss. This makes it especially effective for repairing damage caused by heat styling, coloring, or environmental stress. It's a game-changer for thick, coarse, or dry hair. Use it as a nourishing mask to boost softness, shine, and strength. Just a small amount can transform dull, brittle strands into hair that feels healthy and revitalized. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties soothe dry, itchy scalps, reduce flakiness, and support healthy hair growth by keeping the scalp balanced and comfortable. For skin, coconut oil works best as a body moisturizer. Its rich texture locks in hydration, leaving skin soft and supple. However, avoid using it on your face if you're acne-prone, as it can clog pores and trigger breakouts. After a shower, apply coconut oil to damp skin for all-day smoothness, especially on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. It's a simple way to achieve a natural, healthy glow. If you have fine or thin hair, use coconut oil sparingly. Just a tiny amount on the ends is enough to avoid weighing your hair down or making it look greasy. For both hair and body, coconut oil is truly a tropical treasure, bringing a touch of the islands to your daily routine and leaving you feeling pampered. For facial care, it's better to opt for lighter, non-comedogenic oils like jojoba or squalane, which hydrate without clogging pores or causing irritation. Coconut oil, simple, affordable, and effective. Just remember to use it wisely and enjoy its many benefits for your hair and body. Jojoba oil is a must-try, especially if you have oily or combination skin. Its structure mimics your skin's natural sebum, helping balance oil production and prevent breakouts. Non-comedogenic and anti-inflammatory, it soothes acne and calms irritation. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, it's a great moisturizer or makeup remover. For hair, it adds shine without heaviness. Perfect for fine hair or sensitive scalps. Use it to dissolve makeup, moisturize, or balance your scalp. Jojoba oil is versatile, gentle, and works for almost everyone. If you're new to oils, start here for balanced, healthy skin and hair. It's a balancing act in a bottle. Rosehip oil is your go-to for anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, and scars. Packed with vitamin A, natural retinoid, and vitamin C, it boosts cell turnover and brightens skin. Fades dark spots, evens tone, and helps heal scars and stretch marks. Essential fatty acids keep your skin hydrated and resilient. Use it as an evening treatment. Press a few drops into clean skin to seal in moisture. Its amber color and earthy scent mean you're getting the real deal. For natural rejuvenation and glow, Rosehip oil is a top pick. Invest in this if you want to tackle aging and discoloration naturally. Sweet almond oil is gentle, soothing, and packed with vitamin E. It's hypoallergenic, great for sensitive skin, and calms irritation from eczema or redness. Use it as a makeup remover, lightweight hair moisturizer, or for scalp massages. It smooths frizz, detangles, and strengthens hair and nails. Massage into cuticles for healthier nails. Almond oil is a versatile staple for skin, hair, and nail care. If you want gentle nourishment, this is your oil. It's a reliable, all-purpose beauty essential. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just for salads, it's a beauty powerhouse. Loaded with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, it protects against aging and environmental stress. For most, it's best used on the body and hair, not the face, as it can clog pores. Try a warm olive oil scalp massage to soothe dryness and boost hair health. As a deep conditioner, it softens, smooths, and adds shine, especially for thick or dry hair. Use as a pre-shampoo or hot oil treatment for revitalized locks. Olive oil is simple, effective, and right in your pantry. For soft skin and shiny hair, give it a try. Tea tree oil is a hero for acne and dandruff, loved for its natural healing properties and versatility. But remember, it's an essential oil, not a carrier oil, so it's highly concentrated and potent. Always dilute before use. Never apply it straight to your skin or scalp, as it can cause irritation or even allergic reactions if used undiluted. Its powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help fight acne-causing bacteria, reduce swelling, and soothe redness, making it a favorite in natural skincare routines. For a targeted spot treatment, mix just a drop or two with a gentle carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil, then dab directly onto blemishes. For dandruff, add a few drops to your regular shampoo before lathering up. This helps combat flakes, soothe itchiness, and promote a healthier scalp over time. Always do a patch test before using tea tree oil, especially if you have sensitive skin, since it can be irritating for some people. Used correctly and with care, it's a natural remedy for stubborn skin and scalp issues, helping you achieve clearer skin and a healthier scalp. Tea tree oil is proof that plant-based solutions can be incredibly powerful, offering real results without harsh chemicals. Handle it with care, follow the instructions, and it'll become your secret weapon in your beauty routine. With tea tree oil, a little truly goes a long way. Just a drop can make a big difference. That's a wrap on our top 7 oils for glowing skin and hair. There's an oil for everyone. Experiment to find your perfect match. Always patch test before trying something new. Share your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching. Stay glowing. See you next time.